What's the meaning of commercialize? Commercialize. Commercialize.
Commercialize. Commercialize. Commercialize refers to the process of taking a product, service, or technology from the development stage and bringing it to the marketplace for sale to customers. This includes all the activities necessary to bring a product to market, such as manufacturing, marketing, sales, and distribution. The result of commercializing a product is that it becomes available for purchase by consumers, allowing the developer to generate revenue and establish a brand in the market. Additionally, commercialization can also lead to greater innovation, as successful products often inspire further development and refinement.